Okay, let's try this part again. This is what you will see after it loads. It decided to crash on me the last time. Okay, so click Start. You'll watch a short video and then answer some questions. These are really great learning tools. You can do them over and over if you wish. I take the highest grade no matter how many times you do them. You have to click through the slides, which I think it shows you here, to get credit for the things. And if you get an answer wrong, it tells you what the right answer is, and it tells you right away that you got it wrong. I'm not going to click through all of these. Okay. I'm going to hit submit. Submit. Yay. Okay, so we're done. So let's go exit and back to here. Next thing you'll see are the problems. These are also required. These are all from your book. For most chapters, they're the quick studies that are found at the end of the chapters. Again, click Start. And on this one, it's asking you to identify which accounting principle or assumption best describes things. I'm just going to click a bunch of them, so we'll see how it works. And then over here on the right, you'll see Check My Work. Use this. You can check your work as you go, and you'll see what, if anything, you're getting wrong. It gives you the opportunity to check yourself before you get into the habit of doing something incorrectly. So return to the question, which I didn't read, so I'll just click another one and check my work, and it's still wrong. You have to hit submit up here once you're finished. Click through, hit submit. It's going to tell me I got no points. If you don't submit, you won't get any points, and it told me I got no points. I will exit. Again, there's a quiz. That's the next thing. Each one of these has 10 questions, except for chapter 7, I think, and is worth 20 points. You get 2 chances for each one. I take the highest grade. On the left side of the page, you see some links for the ebook, which is here and here. You also, under additional practice, it lists the Learn Smarts, and there are no recorded lectures. On mine, we have this stuff here. It has a to-do list and a calendar. I'm not sure all of those are available to you, but you can poke around and explore. If you have any questions or you have any problems getting into Connect, let me know right away. McGraw-Hill is very responsive to helping students get up and running with this, so don't hesitate to call their helpline as well.